welcome back to my channel. So in this video you're gonna see that how I make my first ever Madhubani painting on canvas. It's my first attempt, so let's see how the result will be come out. So the first thing we need is any type of color. Then we need brushes, some detailings like white pen, black pen. As today's painting is made on canvas, so we have taken canvas. So first we have to draw it. So let's draw it. So I have drawn the picture. It is like the main part I have drawn and some detailings are left. So you guys have to make the detailings also. So yeah, first complete the detailings, then it's time for colors. So I have drawn all the detailings. Now it's time for color. So now we have started coloring, and the first color that I have made is by the mix-up of white, red and dark pink, so that it will be turning into a beautiful pinkish tone. The color is looking something like this. Add water and just do at the bottom portion of birds. I'm using here 3 number brush. You can also use 0 number if you have for much more detailing. So like this we have to cover it at the part. Now I have colored it full at the bottom part of bird, but here neck part I am doing it with the other color. So first we have to do with brown and green. So for making brown color we need brown ambrish color of amber, dark brown and little bit white for detailings. So we have to mix it all. So yeah, we have to mix it and paint it this part. And you can even give highlights of dark brown so that it will show the depth of the tree and including shadow. So I am coloring it with the branches of it. So color it full. So I have colored brown in the bark of tree, and now I am coloring the border, the thin border that I have made with red. So then we have to cover it full with red. So we have done the boundary of red full. Now we are taking dark brown and adding white in it so that it gives a shading and shadow part in it. So like this I'm adding in it. So now we need to just do the shadow part in the border of it. We have done doing the shading part. Now it's time for green. So now we are doing at leaves with greens. Now in this part I am doing with the light green, and at the second part I am going with the dark green. So we have taken it. Now color it. As you can see, I have colored the leaves. With this part I have colored with light green, and other part I have colored with dark green. So now we are going to color wings of the birds. We are using different colors so that it looks colorful and contrasting. So the color we need is yellow, dark blue. So this is an indigo type of color. So this is also, we can say, dark blue, yellow, white, and we need orange also. So let's get started. So the next part And the thing I'm going to do is I'm going with a background and some detailing part left. So I'm choosing light blue color, which is like very light for the background so that it looks very light, subtle. And here I'm going with a dark popping color. Then let's get started. Going with this color, as you can see. So yeah, cover it full. Now I have done my blue color. As you can see, it is very light, and on beaks and highlighting part I've used a little orange color, added white in it, and have done it. So let's begin to the next step. Next step is just to draw triangles like this. Like this. We have to draw triangles. So make all four sides of them. Make like this all four the sides. So I made these all for the sides. Now color the triangles with any color you choose of your choice. So as you can see, I have colored my triangles with pista green color, and let's begin to the next step. I was telling to do white color on the remaining triangles of all four sides. Then after that I'm doing some detailings, outlinings and mandala on it. So it's like few last steps. So let's get started. So here I am using black pen, gel black pen for outlining. You can also use sketch pen for outlining. So yeah, if you have white pen, so it's great. Something like this you can easily buy it from any stationery shop. But if you don't have it, so you can easily do it with white paint. Now as you can see that the first bird I have already completed, for showing you that second bird will be also doing like this. So yeah, follow my steps. The outlining, we need to do these types of detailings with the help of white color or white pen. So at the bottom of here, as this is dark color, so I am using white pen like this. So we have done it. Now the next step is inside the red one and the yellow one. So yellow is a light color, so we are gonna do it with black. Something like this. So as we have done with this also, now it's time for the middle one. This also we are doing with white pen, but in this we have to make small lines. Something like this. Now we have to make dots like this. You can choose any random design you want of your choice. Now, like this. So, this is also the standing line on one, like this. So now do next one. Now it's time for the next part, which is doing same detailing in this feather. So first I'm completing the black one. You can even choose different designs of mandala pattern to fill your details. Now these two we will be doing with white pen. So we have done. Now the neck part. So here we will be doing the dotted one and just repeating all the designs. Something like this. So I have done this feather also similar to this. Now it's time for decorating and doing mandala on leaves and as well as the bark of tree. So it's random. Any of the part of leaves you can draw. Like in some I am doing in light green and in some I am doing in dark green. So complete the full leaves. You can even make some of them like this on the both the sides you can do. Now we will be doing this design on it. So as we have left some white part while we are drawing, so it's because of this only. Now any designs you can follow as I am doing this design. Now do all of them. So we have completed. Now it's time for making the border, something like this. Like both two sides I have made and this side I will show you then how to make. So first from we have to do this one, the thin border of red color we have made with slanting lines, something like this. As you can see, I am filling with small lines.